Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, Kerala based innovator secures patent for revolutionary defense system for MBTs and APCs. In a groundbreaking achievement for Indian defense technology, C.J. Varghese, a Kerala based innovator with a remarkable portfolio of 6 patents to his name, has been granted a patent by the Patent Office of the Government of India. This significant milestone marks the invention of a pioneering rapid responding active protection system set to redefine the landscape of defense mechanism and bolster the safety of armed vehicle crews for the next 2 decades. Next. 4th LCA-TEJAS trainer under construction. HAL is making significant strides in the production of LCA-TEJAS trainer. The Indian Air Force recently welcomed the first of the 18 trainer aircraft to be procured from HAL, marking a milestone in India's indigenous fighter aircraft program. Next. Analysis of Hamas attacks on Israeli targets done by Indian military. The Indian military leadership is meticulously reviewing the recent attacks on Israeli targets carried out by the terrorist organization Hamas. This analysis is expected to be a significant topic of discussion during the upcoming Indian Army Commanders Conference scheduled for the 3rd week of October, as revealed by a senior official. Next. Launching compact hybrid VTOL drone for cargo transport. Amber Wings, a pioneering UAV, is making significant strides in the world of drone technology, focused on developing cutting-edge UAVs with a particular emphasis on VTOL, that is vertical takeoff and landing drones. The company is committed to meeting the unique demands of the mid-mile and last-mile cargo transport markets. Next. Nuclear-powered cruise missile is tested by Russia, raises global concern. Russia has conducted a test of its new nuclear-powered cruise missile, officially known as Burevestnik, but often referred to as Flying Chernobyl. This development marks a significant step in the ongoing global concern over nuclear arms proliferation and the potential start of a new nuclear arms race. Moscow motivation for such a new superweapon arises from its apprehension about maintaining nuclear parity with the United States. Next. ISRO successfully completed the CE20 E13 engine hot test. CE20 engine is the first indigenously developed cryogenic engine that powers the upper stage C-25 of LVM-3 rocket. The engine was already qualified to operate at a thrust level of 19 tons and performed successfully in 6 successive LVM's mission, including the Chandrayaan-2, Chandrayaan-3 and 2 commercial OneWeb missions. Next. ISRO to establish dedicated spaceport for SSLVs of private sectors. The Indian Space Research Organization is set to construct a second spaceport dedicated exclusively for small satellite launch vehicles developed by the private sector. The new facility will be located in Karapattinam in Tamil Nadu, Thoothukudi district, and is expected to be operational in approximately 2 years. Next. Boosting local manufacturing in the space sector by the Indian government. The Indian government is taking steps to reduce dependence on imports of the space sector and promote local manufacturing of space services related equipment, following a similar path to the telecom industry as revealed by Devushin Chauhan, the Minister of State for Communication. Thank you.